National Humanitarian Law. And I'm very fortunate that I was the first one to file this, and this has become a law already. Isla rin batas ito. And para naman sa mga iba sa inyo na siguro marami sa atin umuwi ng probinsya o kaya meron tayong mga kamag-anak na umuwi, nagbabapor. Katulad ko, pag umuwi ako ng Romblon, my home province, parati ako nagbabapor from Batangas, yung nagpupunta ng Cebu, mga kamag-anak natin nagbabiyahe ng Inter-Island, yung nabalita na ilang beses na, yung mga disasters, no, maritime disasters, that called for the strengthening of the Philippine Coast Guard. And again, this has become a law, Republic Act 9993. Nagkataon yung favorite number ko, 9. Yung mga makikita nyo mga ibang sasakyan ko, 909 o kaya 999. Nagkataon, ang number din ng Republic Act, 9993. Yung sa Expanded Seniors Act, 9994. So yung 9993 is the Philippine Coast Guard law. And your congressman is again the principal author of the Philippine Coast Guard law that aims to strengthen the management of our Coast Guard system para mabawasan at maiwasan itong mga maritime disasters. Tungkol naman sa mga proyekto, at the very outset, I would like to thank our good mayor because of the spirit of cooperation and support that we have shown each other. It has become very easy for me to implement infrastructure projects that would redound to the benefit of the people of the 2nd District of Parañaque. Ang isa sa mga pinaka-importanting infrastructure projects ko para sa atin dito sa barangay is the maintenance and continuing upgrading of sukat mula sa boundary ng 2nd District hanggang doon sa Service Road. Nakikita niyo yung pagpapakinis ng sukat. This complements the overall beautification program being conducted by the local government. Yung asphalting ng sukat, no? Yan is a banner project of your congressman. Kasama na din yung pag-widen ng konti. Pinawiden natin yung sukat doon sa mga lugar na madalas na meron nakapark ng mga jeep, yung babaan at sakayan ng mga tao para pagtigil nila, hindi na obstruct yung flow ng yung central thoroughfares. Kaya isa rin yan sa continuing, this is a continuing program of your congressman. Dito naman, sinimulan ko rin itong term na ito, yung pagpapagawa ng mga tinatawag kong Coliseums, yung covered courts. I don't know if you've seen some of them. Ang dito sa Barangay BF, marami na tayong napagawa. I have already completed about 28 of them. And in about a month's time, mga 32 ang makukumpleto. Ito yung mga covered courts using, for the first time, according to the Department of Public Works, the first time using the polycarbonate roofing. At dito sa Barangay BF, nasimula natin una dun sa Sampaloc. Tapos another one in Sampaloc. So dalawa na yan. Tapos sa Target, 3 na. Tapos dun sa Aratilis, 4 na. Tapos dun sa Goodwill, nagpagawa rin tayo. Natapos natin sa Classic in Armand Gutierrez, the first time sa loob ng subdivision. Tapos nagpagawa rin tayo sa Goodwill, nabanggit ko na. And ongoing yung Jackie Lou. Malapit na rin matapos yung Jackie Lou. So, I guess yung pinakamaraming napabigyan natin ng covered courts sa Coliseum dito sa Barangay BF. Of course, it is the biggest barangay and this is my home barangay, kaya nararapat lamang na ito unahin natin. And because of that, maraming clamor na kung pwede sa kanilang lugar. Well, naubos na yung budget ko dyan, no? Pero kung sakaling pala rin ako na muli makabalik sa Kongreso, sa 15th Congress, I would like to assure you that I will give continuing priority to Barangay BF. Yung fire department naman, ewan ko, napapasal kayo, pag nagpupunta ka sa simbahan, may nakapark yan na makintab, makinis na fire truck. Pinalad rin tayo. I was able to utilize my position as Senior Deputy Minority Leader to persuade the Bureau of Fire Protection. Naglabas sila ng mga about 25 of these fire trucks. 25 out of about more than 100 cities ang dapat bigyan nila ng priority. More than 1,500 municipalities ang dapat bigyan nila ng mga fire trucks. Pero mga 25 lang ang nabili nila ng mga bago. And we are so fortunate na yung isa dyan dito sa Barangay BF binigay. Kaya meron tayong magandang mga fire truck. Again, this will supplement the fire truck and fire department upgrading program of our good mayor. Kaya napakaganda ng aming kooperasyon dito. Kaya naman, kahit na hindi kami magkapartido ni Mayor, nag-file na ako ng Certificate of Candidacy. Magkaiba kami ng partido, but we are one as far as the progress and development of the city of Parañaque is concerned. That's why we have this political coalition, this local coalition, as clearly exemplified by this tarpaulin here. Ayan, yan yung Team Bernabe, yung Team Parañaque that is prepared to start our campaign on March 26, pag-start ng campaign period. So on that note, I would like to thank you, mga kapitbahay. Again, I'd like to thank Boy and Baby for being so kind to again host a gathering like this, which has become a perennial affair for Barangay BF. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much and good night to all of you.
Maswerte kasi pagka si Roy ang pinaumpisa natin magsalita eh. Hindi tayo tinatamaan ng kukonting number ng natatalo. Wala tayong natatalo, awa ng Diyos. So lagi ating ginagawa yon. If you notice, si Roy has always been pinauuna natin. Now at this point, my dear friends, tawagin natin yung ating mahal na mayor para magbigay sa inyo ng kanyang mga mensahe. Mayor June.
Salamat. Thank you very much.